little pathetic thing.
Sorry, I thought I got all of them. Off the boat and into safe homes.
What do you say, Stink? You want to come with me? No. How about now? Oh, sounds like okay to me. Okay? Mister, okay?
What? What happened?
You crashed at the bottom of the crony maker.
And you barfed a bunch of necklaces.
What were you thinking? You could have been killed.
I thought you were going to replace me.
With this little creep? She's good at barking, I guess, but she'd never replace you.
Really? So, you don't think I'm boring?
What? Are you going senile? You're not a mud puppy anymore, but you're still my puppy. Besides, you know way too much for me to ever let you go. Yes, you do. Yes, you know too much. Hush. How about we go for a little sunset drive in the kumquat? Nice and slow. No bumps.
That sounds nice.
Oh, sweet! You found my thumbtack!